Okay guys, here we are again today working with this John Deere 4730 sprayer with a TMX using FMX Plus with Field IQ, and I'm going to show you how to, today I'm going to go in and show you while in the field how to refill your tank for your virtual tank setup. And this again, just keep in mind, is a virtual tank and it's not something that's extremely accurate. There's a lot of human intervention that goes into this, so I mean there could be a little left in the tank, there could be a little bit less. I mean either way you could be putting a little bit more or vice versa. So just keep that in mind, that it is truly just a guideline more so than an actual accurate reading of what you actually have to put out. So first off, we're going to start by opening the field. So we open up the field. Again, this is your confirmation page saying that this is all your selections that you have, and we're going to say yes to this. And we're just going to open up the field that's closest to us for now, so that we actually know what we're looking at here. And using autopilot today, say yes. Okay, so here we have our standard open field that we're going to operate in. And before we go anywhere, we want to make sure that we have the right amount of liquid that it says to put out. So we're going to go to our page number 2 here. And on page number 2, you see tank right here, and this is your tank, and you'll hit that. And again, this is where you'll put in your actual gallons. So the total capacity of the tank is 800 gallons, so you can never have more than 800 gallons. Your volume actual, so if you refilled it and said, I only put 550 gallons in here, so that's going to tell you, it's going to tell the system that you only have 550 gallons to output. For a partial reload or whatever, this is where you would actually put in your actual gallons. The bottom one here is a warning level. So when the system says that you get down to 15 gallons left in the tank, it's going to come up and give you a warning saying, hey, you need to be mindful that you only have 15 gallons left. So you need to be preparing to go and reload. So once you have your actual volume in here, you put in whatever your actual volume would be. In this case, we're saying there's 550 gallons. And you hit OK, and then you hit OK again. You see your actual gallons here, and this is how many gallons you should have in the tank, or somewhere roughly. Again, it's not actual, it is a virtual, so just keep that in mind. It could fluctuate up to 10 to 20 gallons. I mean, depending on what your gauge level actually reads and how much we're actually putting out per acre. So just keep in mind, it is a very virtual thing. If you wanted to do a partial refill of 400 gallons, say you were at 0 here, and there's the warning, so you're below 15 gallons, so it's already giving you a warning saying, okay, you're out and you need to go refill. So we say okay to that, and then we go to our tank, and if we were only going to reload this partial refill of 400 gallons, we would hit partial refill here, and it would put us at 400 gallons. And then we hit okay, and it changes our partial, we have 400 gallons in the tank. Now if we wanted to do a full reload and we were at 0 gallons, then we would hit a full reload, which is 800 gallons, and it tells us we have 800 gallons. And again, that comes back out and transmits to here. So again, today guys, this is how we use the virtual tank application on the TMX using FMX Plus with Field IQ. Thank you, and I hope this helps.